Uh, oh boy. Now for some none of the drippings. Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Good morning and everything. Facebook Live with no title. Ain't that something, y'all? Huh. Don't have a title to this video, so all right. Out chilling the game. Okay. Yep. So I mean, what a nice morning. A nice morning, y'all. Okay. Out there was in Jefferson Parish taking a ride and stuff like that, you know. Mm-hmm. Yep. It's a beautiful morning, huh, y'all? Count your blessings, though. Yeah, that's all you do is count your blessings, y'all. That's all to it, y'all. Okay. Mm-hmm. Like saying warm it up, Chris. You know. Mm-hmm. Yep. So after the RTA meeting, a day after or day after that or whatever, I'm gonna I'm gonna do 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 my walks. You know, because I won't go in certain areas except the ghetto areas. To see where buses should go, you know? How would they turn, you know? Some people got to back their cars up and stuff like that, you know? Some people have to back their cars up, you know, on certain streets like on Dwyer, uh, turning on Jefferson from I mean, see, two Chapatulas and Jefferson and stuff like that, you know? Okay? But that's okay, y'all, you know? I'm like, the bus routes is not all the way terrible, except a bus ain't going where it's supposed to go, picking up people and stuff like that. People are tired of walking 6 blocks or 10 blocks, you know? Imagine somebody staying on Warrington or Wilton or something like that, and somebody gotta walk over that bridge or something like that on Marable Avenue, which is treacherous, you know, very strenuous, you know. So anyway, at the next meeting in December, okay, I'm gonna ask the people to look at my episode of me walking down the street, okay. So I'm gonna walk down Marable Avenue from Franklin to St. Anthony, okay, and then I'm gonna walk from how I'm gonna do this, y'all. Okay, I mean, walking all those blocks, have to walk over a bridge to catch the bus and all that. That is too strenuous, you know. And then the college kids that go to Delgado, if they live in the east, they have to catch 3 different buses probably. I must say that's a darn shame, y'all. Okay, all right. That's all I'm saying, y'all. Yesterday was my lucky day, you know. Yeah, my lucky day. Okay, how lucky was it?